Okay, welcome back again everyone. This will be part number 10 of the hot air engine. It's the cooling assembly stands. I've got to make two of them up. One of them's 40mm wide, the other one's 20mm wide. It's made out of this 3mm brass. So what needs to happen, I need to cut this one 40mm long. So I've already marked this one 40mm. And they've got to be soldered together. So there's like two pieces there. And drilled and tapped M5, two holes on that one, and there's only one on that one. This one here is going to be drilled and tapped M3, but I won't do them until I actually do the next part. That'll be the cooling fins here, so I can make the holes line up exactly. So I'll skip those two little holes until I do that part. And it's got to have a 15mm radius in here. So what I'm thinking about doing with that bit is setting it up and using the boring head, and hopefully I'll be able to get hopefully it'll cut that alright. So both got a 15mm radius. Right, so first thing I'll do, I'll head over and cut these just with a hacksaw. I've already marked the 40mm long one, so I'll go and do that one first, and then we'll come back. Alright, this is the 40mm wide one cut. That's that one there. So I need to make this 20mm wide one. Just quickly mark that one out. Alright, I'll go and cut them up. Alright, these are all cut to length. That's this one, and that's that one. So what I'll do now, I'll take them over to the mill, and we've got to drill and tap M5 in the bottom. This one here's got to have two holes in the bottom, and this one here is just the one. Alright, what I'm going to do, I've got this set up in the vise. We'll use an edge finder to find the centre this way, and then I'll find the centre this way. So we'll do that first. Okay, I've got the exact centre of the part. Now I need to drill and tap at M5, and each hole is 20mm apart. So all I'll do is use the DRO because we're in the exact middle, so I'll just move it 10mm either side of the centre line. Alright, that's that one done. That's that one completed. So what I'll do now, I'll do set up and do the other one. The other one's just got one M5 tapped hole in the middle of it. So I'll set up and do that one. Right, this next part I've got to machine up is, put that in shot, I've got to cut a radius on here, so it's a 15mm radius, so I've got to machine it down to the line. I've already got one set up in here. I'm just using a boring head, so I'm hoping that'll cut that radius. Alright, we'll give it a go and see what happens. Okay, that turned out way better than I thought it was going to. Alright, I'll set the next one up and I'll start on the next one. Alright, I've got the two parts made up. That's the radius I cut in there. That turned out way better than I thought. If you didn't have a milling machine, you'd probably just set that up in a lathe on a some kind of face plate. You should be able to machine that up in there. And that's that one. And here's the little one. So all I've got to do now is solder them together. Alright, so I'll set up for all the soldering and I'll solder it. Alright, I just finished soldering this one. I didn't get any footage of that. The battery went flat. So hopefully I'll get some on this one. Alright, that's these two little parts made up. That's what 11A and 11B. That's those two supports there. Those two little holes, like I said at the beginning of the video, I'll have to drill them out once I finish machining this. This will be the next video. It'll be the cooling fins assembly. So those bolt into there, those holes there. So I'll wait till I finish machining this up and then I can drill and tap them out M3. Alright, thanks for watching and on to the next video.